Hi, I'm Dave Booth with Caliber Equipment. What I'd like to do is take just a couple minutes and talk to you about one of the newer machines that we offer. This is from Karcher. This particular machine is the Classic 50/50, which is in the compact category. Let me take a minute or two, just walk you around the machine. In the compact category in our business, the 20-inch auto scrubber is probably the most popular size. And what Karcher's come out with recently is this particular model that is very simple, low cost, but does great productivity for you and or your staff. Let me show you a couple things. First of all, as I said, this has a standard 20-inch. You can either use a brush or a pad driver. And as you see, this has got a pad on it, so you can get it either way. They've got a nice splash skirt built onto it. We've got a roller on the corner, and it offsets so I can clean closer along the walls. This machine has 2 batteries, so it's a 24-volt system. You get about 1.5 hours up to 2 hours of runtime, which with a 20-inch machine, you can get over 13,000 square feet of cleaning performance. So this machine does a lot of work in a small amount of time. The other thing, this is what we call a brush assist machine, meaning there is no drive system, so it freewheels, as you can see, very easily. And what they put on it, which is nice, is this lever here has a caster underneath. So when I'm transporting it, I keep the pad and brush off the floor. When I'm ready to scrub, I simply do that, and now I've lowered the pad onto the floor. And when it spins, it's going to help pull the machine along. When I'm done, I simply pull that back up. So as I said, this is not a self-propelled machine. Karcher does offer those, but for a very low-cost machine, brush drive in many facilities is all you really need. Let me show you a few more things. As I said, this has got 2 batteries. It's a 24-volt system. Holds 13 gallons, solution and recovery. The bottom tank, this is your clean tank, which simply fills right here in the front. This is where your soap and water is going to go. The recovery tank that's picking up the dirty water, they've got a nice big lid that opens up so we can get in there and flush it out. They've built in a screen and a filter system to protect your vacuum motor, which can also be removed and then cleaned out. But again, they put a lot into keeping this design very simple and user-friendly. In the back, if you look here, you've got a big heavy metal aluminum squeegee tool. So it pivots from side to side. They've added casters to keep it level. They've even got a leveling device there, so if it needs to be adjusted, which is done right up underneath here, then we get the maximum cleaning performance. Also here on the back, you'll see the lever to lower it down when I'm ready to dry the floor. You've got a control here for the solution flow. So depending on how dirty your floor is, I can either increase it or reduce it. And then your charger would plug in right here with the symbol Anderson connection. Last thing is your drain hose. Nice size hose that comes off, pop the cap, and now it can be drained into your sink or any other floor drain. The controls of this machine, as I said, this is what's really nice, simple and easy to train your operators. We have an off position. Then we have the next, which gives you scrubbing, solution, and vacuuming. Or we can just do it strictly scrubbing. Or I can just vacuum. So you have 1, 2, 3 different positions depending on how you want to run the machine. When you have it turned on, automatically turned on the vacuum. Or in this case, I just want to scrub. And what happens when I lower the head on the floor and I squeeze this paddle, as you can see, it's now scrubbing the floor. When I'm all done, just turn it off. So again, a very simple machine, but in the 20-inch category, which is the most popular machine in the cleaning industry. This machine from Karcher offers you a lot of value and a lot of great features for a nice machine. For more information, give us a call, Caliber Equipment, 888-550-0945, and ask for the Karcher BD 5050 Classic. Thanks.